Hi you guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about what is yoga. Yoga was invented in India thousands of years ago, and they're not sure who invented it because nobody can read that language anymore. There's only a handful who can. And they don't know from the books in the ancient text. And we just know that it originated in a India philosophy school, and yoga is made up of mind, body, and soul. The mind, yoga helps you focus on what you're doing. For example, if I'm doing a pose, it helps you focus just on that and not thinking about what is going on in your life. And it helps you to relax. For the spirit, when you're doing meditation or you're doing poses and you're learning how to breathe from your yoga instructor, it helps you to relax, and it changes your attitude and mindset as well. And they are always mind, body, and spirit is always intertwining. All right. If you like this video, please check out next week's video, which is the benefits of yoga. All right. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.